Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or allow the power button to end calls on your Google Pixel smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the setting gear button. And now you want to go down and select where it says accessibility. So go ahead and select the accessibility tile. And then scroll down underneath interaction controls and you want to select system controls. And then where it says power button ends call, if you want to turn that on, just click inside the oval one time to enable it. And that's all you have to do. So like I said, pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to enable that feature. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.